Most rotary tools sold online are overpriced gimmicks built to fail after a few uses. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud. Tired of dragging through cheap tools that stall and overheat when you need precision? Relax, this video will guide you to the perfect rotary tool lineup. Today, I'm going to be going over the best rotary tool that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the GOXAWEE Rotary Tool Kit. From the moment you unbox this GOXAWEE Rotary Tool Kit, it clearly targets hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts seeking reliable, versatile tools. The kit's durable build and compact design suggests long-term reliability for frequent use across a wide range of projects. Its ergonomic form and balanced weight contribute to precision during extended sessions and significantly reduce user fatigue while operating. The kit includes 140 pieces of attachments and accessories suitable for sanding, grinding, drilling, polishing, and carving tasks. Please kindly notice that the keyless chuck needs to be tightened using a spanner to ensure safe, stable operation. A flexible shaft attachment enhances reach and control, allowing detailed work in tight corners without exhausting the wrist. The speed range spans 8,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, enabling precise engraving on wood, glass, metal, and plastic. In practical testing, consistent torque delivered clean finishes on varied materials, while the compact body remained comfortable during longer sessions. Packed in a solid carrying case, the GOXAWEE Rotary Tool Kit keeps accessories organized and transport ready for on-the-go projects. Compared with the DREMEL 4000, this GOXAWEE Rotary Tool Kit provides more accessories, a broader chuck range, and an integrated flex shaft. The pros include a huge 140-piece accessory set, a dedicated carrying case for organization, and precise 5-speed control. The cons include chuck tightening requiring a spanner and a higher price versus basic entry-level kits. During extended sessions, the tool maintains stable RPM and produces consistent results without overheating, supporting long craft work with confidence. For hobbyists and makers focusing on woodwork, glass, or metal finishing, this GOXAWEE Rotary Tool Kit offers dependable versatility at home. All in all, the GOXAWEE Rotary Tool Kit stands as a practical, value-oriented choice for versatile DIY projects. At number 4, we have the HARDELL Rotary Tool. From a quick glance, this compact kit promises versatile DIY convenience and approachable performance for hobbyists seeking a cordless, affordable option. Its beginner-friendly packaging and abundant accessories appeal to resin crafters, jewelry makers, and light hobbyists pursuing precise grinding and polishing. The built-in LED work light and ergonomic pen-like grip specifically address users who value control, visibility, and comfort during intricate tasks. The HARDELL Rotary Tool emphasizes a compact, lightweight design with a pen-style grip that reduces fatigue over long sessions. Premium materials and tight tolerances ensure durability for resin crafting and fine detailing, while not suitable for heavy-duty use. Its compact dimensions deliver low weight and balanced ergonomics, helping steady precision during fine detailing across resin, wood, and metal tasks. 5-speed settings span 5,000, 8,000, 11,000, 14,000, and 18,000 revolutions per minute for versatile control. The upgraded small cordless rotary tool has a LED indicator to signal charging status and readiness, improving reliability during intricate tasks. The 3.7-volt rechargeable battery and quick USB charging deliver about 200 minutes of runtime per charge. Compared to a typical corded Dremel, the HARDELL offers cordless freedom and lighter handling for fine detail work. The pros include lightweight design, long battery life, and extensive accessory set. The cons include not suited for heavy-duty projects and higher price. In practical testing, continuous operation at mid-speed produce steady results with minimal vibration and no overheating over extended sessions. Recommended for resin art, wood engraving, and jewelry detailing where portability and a broad accessory set outweigh heavy-duty limitations. At number 3, we have the PHALANX 6. From the moment you unbox, the premium brushed aluminum shell conveys durability, a confident grip, and long-lasting resilience during daily use. The tool weighs 2.4 pounds, making it effortless to tote between workstations and comfortable for extended sessions. Its 6-speed settings range from 8,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute, letting you dial in precise cutting and polishing. The included flexible shaft enables fine work and tight corner polishing while reducing runout for stable, precise results. Compatibility covers multiple collet sizes, including 1/8 and 1/16 inch, plus 3 32nd inch and 3 25th inch variants. In practical tests, the PHALANX 6 maintains steady speed through metal cutting and wood carving, delivering smooth finishes with minimal chatter. Low noise operation paired with vented gear protection reduces heat buildup and creates a calmer user experience during lengthy sessions. The 139-piece accessories kit expands versatility for carving, grinding, sanding, engraving, and polishing across a wide range of materials. A thoughtful design blocker system helps prevent unintended contact with the speed gear, adding a layer of safety during fast changes. When stacked against the Dremel 600 series, the PHALANX 6 offers steadier speed control and tougher construction for demanding projects. The pros include durable build, versatile accessory kit, and precise control thanks to the flexible shaft. The cons include higher price compared to basic models and a somewhat steep learning curve for new users. The chuck requires tightening with a spanner before initial use, a small setup step that ensures secure operation and reliable performance. Bottom line, PHALANX 6 delivers resilience, versatility, and strong performance for artists and craftsmen tackling metal, wood, and engraving tasks. At number 2, we have the WEN 205. This versatile kit targets hobbyists and do-it-yourself enthusiasts who crave broad project versatility and a massive 80-piece accessory assortment. The tool balances lightweight ergonomics with a robust body, supporting extended sessions without fatigue while maintaining precise control through a comfortable grip. The onboard spindle lock simplifies bit changes, and the 2.3mm and 3.2mm collets expand compatibility. The included flex shaft enables intricate detailing and extended reach, enabling careful polishing, engraving, and carving even in tight spaces. With an 80-piece accessory set, this tool covers cutting, sanding, polishing, deburring, grinding, and beyond for versatile tasks across materials. Compared to the Dremel 3000, this kit offers a broader RPM range, more accessories, and stronger versatility for detail work. The pros include great value for the price, a comprehensive 80-piece accessory kit, and standout spindle lock convenience. The cons include higher noise during aggressive speeds and a 1-year warranty that may feel limited compared with longer service plans. The tool has a compact footprint and ergonomic grip that maintains steady control during extended tasks, reducing hand strain for marathon sessions. In real-world testing, users reported consistent performance at mid-range speeds and smooth transitions between bits with the flex shaft engaged. Ideal for hobbyists and DIY projects across wood, metal, glass, plastics because it combines power, flexibility, and accessibility in one kit. With regular cleaning and careful storage, performance remains consistent, and the included 1-year warranty supports servicing through a nationwide network. Overall, the WEN 2305 Rotary Tool Kit with Flex Shaft offers versatility and value for beginners and hobbyists. If you value versatility and value, this kit stands out as a beginner-friendly option that grows with your skills. At number 1, we have the Dremel 4300-5. Initial impressions reveal a premium rotary tool kit designed for enthusiasts and professionals who demand versatile performance across hobby and workshop tasks. The kit bundles 40 accessories along with 5 attachments, enabling sanding, grinding, carving, cutting, and engraving with a single ergonomic system. Its speed range extends from 5,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute, delivering precise control for delicate carving and heavy shaping. A standout feature is the universal 3-jaw chuck that supports all Dremel shank sizes, enabling fast, tool-free accessory changes. Additionally, replaceable motor brushes extend tool life, reducing downtime and maintenance overhead while maintaining consistent performance through demanding sessions. The slim, ergonomic body ensures a comfortable grip during prolonged use, while an innovative airflow system keeps temperatures remarkably cool. The Dremel 4300 rotary tool features electronic feedback that stabilizes speed under load for consistent performance across materials. The included attachments and high-quality accessories are compatible with all Dremel shanks, enabling broad versatility without search for new components. The airflow system is designed to vent heat away efficiently, keeping operation cooler and quieter during extended grinding, sanding, or engraving sessions. A pivoting LED light directs illumination exactly where you work, reducing shadows and improving accuracy during intricate detail tasks. In practical tests, the tool ran smoothly without noticeable vibration and maintained steady torque across metal, wood, and plastic samples. The 5 attachments and 40 accessories offer wide capability, letting users complete cutting, grinding, carving, sanding, and engraving in a single kit. When stacked against the Dremel 420, the 4300 delivers tool-free changes and improved cooling under load. The pros include durable build, versatile speed range, and rapid accessory changes. The cons include higher price and bulkier footprint.